Today we're going to use t-shirt yarn to make a basket. This is the level 1 project. If you enjoy this project, you'll be interested in doing the level 2 project afterwards. The materials you're going to need for this project are a paper cup, some t-shirt yarn, scissors, and a pen or a marker. So today we're going to be weaving in the round because the cup is round. Whenever you're weaving in the round, you want an odd number of warp. So in order to cut my warp, I'm just drawing a star on the bottom. That gives me 5 points to cut. I'm going to mark them on the rim with my marker, and then I'm going to use my scissors to cut straight up to those points. That'll give me 5 pieces of warp. The star is a good starting point, but if you want it more weft, you could cut 2 more cuts or 4 more cuts to make yourself have 7 or 9 warp threads. Now it's time to weave. So I have my t-shirt yarn. I'm going to take the tail of that t-shirt yarn and just slide it inside of the cup. It's not going to show after I'm done, so it doesn't really matter. Just slide it inside so it's hidden. And then you're going to go around the next warp. I'm going to go behind the next one, in front of the next one, behind, in front, behind, in front. You're going to continue this pattern all the way around your cup. Now you can see that the tail that I started with is kind of coming out, so I'm trying to tuck it back inside because when I weave around it this time, it's actually going to hold it securely. So I want to make sure that's inside. I'm going to go in and out of the cup and then keep going around. This time I can see that I didn't go around this one last time, so I'm going to go around it this time. It should be opposite every single time, so you can see the ones that I went around, I'm now behind, and the ones that I went behind, now I'm in front. I'm going to go around every single time. I'm going to kind of scoot all of my weft threads, my t-shirt yarn, I'm going to scoot that down to the bottom, and I'm going to continue this pattern. This is definitely a project that takes a little bit of time and a little bit of practice, but I really enjoy weaving because I find it very soothing. I'm going to speed it up just so you can see the whole process. Obviously I did not work this quick, but let's speed it up and see how it goes. If you're having trouble, it's kind of like a snake. He's going inside the cup, out of the cup, inside the cup, out of the cup, or you can say behind, in front, behind, in front. Now I'm almost to the top of my cup. I'm going to go all the way to the lip until there's no more cups showing, and I'm going to cut that tail. Then I'm going to tuck the end. I'm going to weave it back, weave it in until there's nothing left, and then I'm going to tuck it inside of the cup behind some of my weaving. So now I'm going to just trim up any ends that are sticking out. Make sure the tail is tucked in. Look around. If there's any of my seams that are kind of wide, I'm going to just trim up any little extra so that it looks clean. So you've got this little basket. Now what can you do with it? Well, one idea is to find something that will fit inside. I found this children's Tylenol container, and it fit perfectly inside, so you really couldn't see the top. And then I just put little flowers in it for a vase, or you could store pins in it if it's a little bigger. So use your imagination, give it away as a gift, enjoy it for yourself, enjoy your basket.